Visual DX has tens of thousands of medical images vetted by our medical image team that cover various disease stages, body locations, skin color, and more. You can filter your images to quickly narrow your search to find the image that best matches your patient's presentation. Let's look at psoriasis. Click the Images button at the top. Note that there are many images depicting psoriasis. Tap Filter to choose skin types, body locations, and image type. Experiment with a combination of filters to further refine your results. We've also given you the option to filter out genital and severe images if you are scrolling through images with your patient.